Velcro fastener, and every Huggle Buddy transforms from an adorable animal into a super soft pillow. Huggle Buddies make every journey a snuggable, huggable adventure. And look, pyjamas wrap safely inside, perfect for overnight visits. And when it's time to play, use the Velcro strap to turn your Huggle Buddy back into a cuddly play friend. There's a Huggle Buddy for everyone. A ladybird, a playful puppy, a pig, a magical unicorn, a bunny, a buzzy bumblebee, a princess poodle, a beautiful butterfly, really magical dragons, Jurassic dinosaurs, and so many more. Mums, your kids will absolutely love their Huggle Buddies. For playtime, nap time, anytime is Huggle Buddy time. Every child loves a Huggle Buddy. Makes a great gift for birthday, Christmas, or special occasion. Go online or call the number on screen and give a Huggle Buddy a home today.
This is an important announcement about PPI.
PPI, or Payment Protection Insurance, was missold to millions of people with loans, credit cards and mortgages from banks and other lenders. After a recent court case, banks must now repay all their customers who were wrongly sold PPI, so you could be owed thousands of pounds. You may not realise you have payment protection insurance on your loan. You must check now.
Call us now and we can find out if you have a claim. Call Just Refunds on 0800 822 3453.
She survives the harshest winters, only to be ruthlessly hunted by poachers. The stunning snow leopard. They want her bones for medicine, her fur for decoration. That's why we urgently need you to adopt a snow leopard with WWF. Your adoption pack will show you the work you helped make possible. We'll send you an adorable cuddly leopard and this striking portrait. Plus, 3 times a year we'll send you exciting news of our work. It costs just £3 a month, so please call 0800 035 7106 or text SNOW4 to 70007. Thank you.
To celebrate April Fools, we've got 3 kinds of funny. Yay! Funny Baba, funny Lala, and funny... With 2 brand new episodes of The Amazing World of... Check out Cartoon Network's amazing April Fool's Day next weekend from 8 a.m.
No, I think they're Regan, sweetheart.
What?